Oh hey, my name is Marc Ramos, and today we're going over some good cards to have in your wallet. Let's do it. The whole fun in having a credit card to earn points and miles is that the money that you spend normally on everyday expenses has added value as it gets you closer to your next trip. Needless to say though, there are a ton of credit cards out there, and it can be super hard to figure out which one's the best for you. But don't worry, because that is why I'm here. The key here is to choose a rewards credit card based on your travel needs and your spending habits. Do you mostly travel to Europe or to Asia? Well, then a Southwest credit card isn't going to do you much good, even if there's a great sign-up bonus. Why? Well, because Southwest doesn't fly to Europe or Asia, nor does it partner with an airline that does. But if you eat out often, then going with a credit card that will give you bonus points for dining might be the way to go. We here at TPG recommend that you set a travel goal first, such as taking the family to Disney World, spending a week in Paris, or even vacationing in Hawaii. And then start looking at credit cards that can help you earn the points needed to make that happen. Getting a card that earns transferable points is a great place to begin, since you can transfer these points to airlines and hotels or book through a portal. If you want to learn more about transferable points, I've linked another episode of PowerPointers in the cards above. Some of our favorite credit card programs at TPG come from Chase, American Express, Capital One, and Citi. Let's start off with Chase. Chase is a very popular credit card issuer and offers several great cards, especially for beginners. While some of its cards only offer cash back, others are points earning cards that allow you to redeem points directly for travel or transfer points to hotel and airline partners. Some of Chase's most notable partners are British Airways, United, Hyatt, and Marriott. We're going to be focusing on the points earning cards. We've got the Chase Sapphire Reserve and the Sapphire Preferred. The Chase Sapphire Preferred has an annual fee of $95 and an intro offer of 60,000 points, which TPG values at around $1,200 in travel. Not too shabby. With this card, you can earn 5 points per dollar spent on travel through their portal, Chase Ultimate Rewards, 3 points per dollar spent on dining, 2 points per dollar spent on all other travel purchases, and 1 point per dollar spent on anything else. You'll get premium travel protection benefits, including trip cancellation insurance, primary car rental insurance, and lost luggage insurance. You'll also get a $50 hotel statement credit, among a bunch of other perks. The Chase Sapphire Reserve takes the perks of the Preferred and kicks them up a few notches. It comes in at a steeper annual fee of $550 and an intro offer of 50,000 points. But with this card, you can earn 10x total points on hotels and car rentals when you purchase travel through Chase Ultimate Rewards. You can earn 5x total points on air travel through Chase Ultimate Rewards, 3x points on other travel and dining, and 1 point per dollar spent on all other purchases. You'll get 50% more value when you redeem your points for travel through Chase's portal, and you'll also get a $300 annual travel credit as reimbursement for travel purchases charged to your card each account anniversary year. For a full list of credits and benefits for both credit cards, check out the links in the description. Next up, we have American Express. American Express has a lot of solid cards to choose from, as well as a great rewards program and transfer partners, such as Delta, JetBlue, and Marriott. Today we'll be focusing on the American Express Gold and Platinum cards. The American Express Gold card has an annual fee of $250 and an intro offer of 60,000 points. With this card, you can earn 4x membership rewards points at restaurants plus takeout and delivery, 4x membership rewards points at US supermarkets, and 3x membership rewards points on flights booked directly with airlines or on AmexTravel.com. You'll also get an up to $120 annual dining credit and an up to $120 annual credit in Uber Cash for Uber Eats orders or Uber rides in the US. The Platinum card from American Express has an annual fee of $695 and an intro offer of 100,000 points, which TPG values at around $2,000. With this card, you can earn 5x membership rewards points for flights booked directly with airlines or American Express travel, and you can earn 5x membership rewards points on prepaid hotels also booked with American Express travel. It also comes with access to a premium concierge service that can help you with everything from booking hard-to-get reservations to booking destination guides that can help you plan out your next getaway. On top of that, it comes with a long list of benefits, including access to Centurion lounges, complimentary elite status with Hilton and Marriott, at least $1,400 in assorted annual statement credits, and so much more. Next on the list is Capital One. Capital One has been gaining popularity ever since it added the ability to transfer miles earned on the Spark and Venture card families to airline partners. Right now, we're going to be focusing on the Venture Rewards card and the Venture X card. The Venture Rewards card has an annual fee of $95 and an intro offer of 60,000 miles. With this card, you can earn 5x miles on hotels and rental cars booked through Capital One Travel, and unlimited 2x miles on every other purchase every day. The Venture X card has an annual fee of $395 and an intro offer of 75,000 miles. With this card, you can earn unlimited 10x miles on hotels and rental cars booked through Capital One Travel, 5x miles on flights booked through Capital One Travel, and unlimited 2x miles on all other purchases. You'll get 10,000 bonus miles every year starting on your first account anniversary. You'll also get access to all-inclusive amenities at the Capital One Lounge and more than 1,300 Priority Pass lounges worldwide, among other perks. Finally, we have Citi. Over the last couple of years, Citi has adjusted its credit card portfolio in an attempt to stay competitive with both Chase and American Express. Today, we're going to be looking at the Citi Rewards Plus and the Citi Premier cards. The Citi Rewards Plus card comes with an intro offer of 20,000 points and does not have an annual fee, which could be appealing to those who are still unsure of how they're going to lean into the rewards game. With this card, you'll earn 2x thank you points at supermarkets and gas stations for the first $6,000 per year, and then 1x points thereafter. And you'll also earn 1x thank you points on all other purchases. The Citi Premier card has an annual fee of $95 and an intro offer of 60,000 points. With this card, you can earn 3 points per dollar spent on restaurants and supermarkets, 3 points per dollar spent at gas stations, hotels, and air travel, and 1 point per dollar spent on all other purchases. You'll also get a $100 annual hotel savings benefit, among other perks. So as you can see, there are a ton of great options out there. But as always, you should do your homework and go with the option that best suits your lifestyle. So to recap, set a travel goal first and then start looking at credit cards that can help you earn the points and miles needed to make that happen. Remember that typically the higher the fee on the card, the more credits and benefits you'll get. But the more credits and benefits you get, the more you'll need to be ready, willing, and able to use them to make that fee worthwhile. And if you're not quite ready to dive in head first, we recommend starting off with one of the smaller fee cards to get used to leveraging all those credit card perks. That's it for today, but if you like this video, throw it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button for more episodes of PowerPointers, and I'll see you later.